So now that we have seen the image here, we have seen this image here, how to insert image in the web page. So actually I will just let's say go back to this thing and then repeat the process again. First thing that you need to do, you need to make sure that within your folder new you have the image there. If you cannot do drag and drop, okay, sometimes you can have the image on your desktop. You just have to drag and then take it up to the Visual Studio. Once you reach to the Visual Studio, the Visual Studio will be hover out and you will just have to put it in inside and leave it. So it's just like when you are dragging and dropping a file into a folder. That's how you do. If you cannot do that, you just go to the folder where the image is, copy it, go to the folder where the web folder, that is the extension folder, comment.html. You go there into that folder, you paste it there, you throw it inside there. So once you come back to your Visual Studio, you will find the image there. So I will insert another image just for clarity, so as you understand what I am saying. So I will go to pictures and then I will now take this image called Shuna. I will control C and copy, come back to my folders here. Okay, I will go to desktop and look for new. So I will now type new. Once I am in new, I will open it, paste it here. So I will go to my Visual Studio. Now you can see I have another picture here, say picture one. So I will insert this one also. Let's say I will create a new this thing, new div or new section by using div. So initially you learn about div. We say div are just containers within our web page, like they create a section in our web page. So you can see all these things that I created here, they are all next to each other, right? You see it is arranged because we are creating div tags, right? So I will just create another div, and this is going to be, I will create a paragraph and call it Sooner Institute, Sooner Institute of Science and Technology, Science and Tech, right? So I will save, and now I will create an image tag, img. I have image. In the source file here, I will write picture between the two quotes here, okay? So I will write that picture, and then here I will write here Sooner. So now I will demonstrate, okay? Sooner, okay? Sooner, and I will write here logo. So now I want to make sure that this picture did not display, so I will write there dot jpg, okay, because we know the extension for this picture one is not jpg, it is png. But let's see what will happen. I will save and go to the browser, refresh, and nothing happened. Now look here, I want you to check into the browser properly. You see it says Suna Institute of Science and Tech, and you can see it says Suna logo. Why is the Suna logo here? Because you can remember I told you that in the image tag it have two parts. It have the image, that is the scr, the image shows, and the image alt, that is the alternative. It is telling you that if the image that we insert did not load in the web page, or we inserted the wrong source file or the wrong source into our image tag, the image will not load, and anything that we write on the alt will be the one that will display on behalf of the image. But if it is loaded properly, then meaning the Sooner logo will not happen. So that's what happened here. So Sooner logo is here, okay, because the image failed. So you can see anytime you see this type of thing, it is telling you that the image failed to load, or the image is not that image is not available in that file. So I will still and write pn. So you see, once I start, it comes. So I will click save and go back to the browser and refresh. So you see we have our image here. Do you see that? So this is all about images. So we will now be moving to what we call linking our web pages. Now HTML, let's say if you look at a website in general, website is, when we talk about website, a website is a collection of web pages. Let's say some of the websites, they have more than 1000 web pages. They have many pages, okay? You will be entering into different sections. So in that aspect, I will just open one file here, project that I am working on here, show you, to open it in the browser, show you how things work, so as you understand exactly what I am talking about. So I will open this. Okay. So let's say I will copy this. Okay, copy part, and then go to browser, open the browser, open a new tab, come here. Okay, so once I paste, so you see, if you look into this, this is a page. Now look at here, we have navigation bar here. If I click on about, it will load me to this part of the web page. If I click on courses, it will load me to this part of the web pages. If I click on admission, it will bring me back here. And if I click on register courses, it will bring me here. Okay, so what is happening here? If I click on course dashboard, it brings me here. So what is happening here? I have different pages in this website, almost many of them. But why is it that I am able to access them all? Because they are linked. Because they are linked. So in a website, we can be linking our web pages using a particular tag. Okay. So we already learned about that in the theory aspect, where we talks about that where we talks about that tag. So now I will create a new tag. Okay, in that tag I will be creating a div. Sorry, I will create a div here. Okay, the div section, and in this section I will create a comment. Okay, so I will write this, and then dash dash, and I will say inserting images, sorry, inserting links. Okay, web or linking web pages. Let me just say linking web pages, right? Linking web pages. So now once I said linking web pages, so now what I will do, I will now this is going to be my this thing, linking web pages. But now, to be able to link a web page, now I need to create another file. So I will create another file here. Let's say I will call that file as welcome okay, web1. So I will just say web1 .html. Okay, so once I say web1.html, I open it. So now in this web1 here, I will just write just something very important here. So from there I will go back to the previous file, right? So what will I write here? So I will write in this file here, what will I write? I will say, let's say paragraph. Okay, I will just say uh, this. Okay, I will just say this page is currently under develop under development, right? Okay, and I will write break, check back to see if the web is ready. So now once I do this, this is the only information that you are going to see in that file. So now I want to link them. So I have here, but now this is the part where I want to link. How do I do the linking? I will just say I will write this tag a. Okay, you will see this. Okay, so when I write this tag, I will have this is the tag. This tag is called the anchor tag. Okay, so once I create this tag a, and then it says href, inside this quotation of blue color, this is where I am going to put my the file that I want to link. Which file did you want to link? I want to link this file called web1. So I will write there web1. You see, once I start typing, it comes because it know it is a link. And how will you name it? Here, this space here, you put your name here. Okay, so meaning the blue color, or meaning the link, the name of the link that you are going to click on. That's what you put here on this space here. So I will say welcome to my new web.